Consumer Cellular locks phones to their network to prevent use on other carriers. However, they will unlock your phone if you meet certain requirements. To be eligible, your device must be fully paid off, the account must be active and in good standing with no outstanding balances, and you must have been a Consumer Cellular customer for at least 12 months. This policy aligns with FCC regulations, which classify unlocking as a consumer right. There are exceptions for military personnel or permanent deactivation. Consumer Cellular primarily uses GSM-locked phones, so unlocking allows SIM swapping to compatible carriers like AT&T or T-Mobile. To unlock your Consumer Cellular phone, start by contacting their support team. You can call 1-888-345-5509 or use their online portal. Next, you'll need your phone's IMEI number. Find it in Settings, then About Phone. This unique identifier is required for unlocking. Once you have the IMEI, provide it to support. They'll give you an unlock code or remotely unlock your device. The process typically takes 1 to 5 business days. Your unlocked phone will work on other GSM networks, but CDMA compatibility isn't guaranteed. Newer phones with eSIM technology make unlocking simpler, often eliminating the need for physical codes. Finally, use third-party unlocking services only as a last resort, as they may not be reliable.